Matt, what the hell are you doing? Get up, let's go, we've got work to do.
That's right, the winter sale has begun and we've got loads of deals available and discounts on some special bits of kit. To find the sale, go to the EpicTV shop and click on the Outlet button at the top right of the screen. In here you'll find all the amazing deals and new items are being added all the time, so make sure you keep checking back. For example, the Slagboard Mini is now only €99, down from €149. The Scarpa Instinct S climbing shoe is €69, down from €109. And the Mountain Hardwear Trozonic jacket for women is only €189, down from €275. If you see something you like, grab it quickly, because once it's gone, it's gone.